Hi everyone, it's Meg with TruVee here, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is episode 2 for our intermediate level to advanced level English course. Today I'm going to be working with you on integrating in the word but into your vocabulary and your sentences. By being able to do this, there are 3 major things that this little word can do. Ready to get into it? Let's go. The first way that the word but can be used is for a contradiction, when 2 different things or topics contradict each other. For example, I love horses, but I'm really allergic. Or I love peanut butter, but sometimes it makes me not feel good. Or I love to go for a run, but it makes me really sore after. These are all different contradictions that can be used with the word but. The next way the word but can be used is to introduce an exception to a timeline. For example, I'm free every day but Monday, or any day but Friday works for me for dinner. This is another way that but is commonly used. And now the final way that the word but is used is to insert an additional thought. For example, you should go to the party, but I'm not sure I want to. Or you're going to attend high school graduation, but I don't know if I really want to do that either. These are 3 different ways that the word but can be used in a sentence. We see all 3 different ways used very commonly in the English language, so I wanted to share this with you. I do think that this will help you improve your English if you focus on this one little tiny word. There are some rules to this word and places that you should not use it. Let me go over the first one. You should never use the word but at the beginning of a sentence. It's unprofessional and it's just incorrect English. You shouldn't say, I like to go swimming, ! But I hate the water, period. Or, I like to eat ice cream, ! But I do find it pretty unhealthy. You would want to put them together in the same sentence. I love ice cream, but I don't like how high the sugar content is. One sentence, not 2. Never start a sentence with the word but. The last way that you should not use the word but is if you're going to negate or contrast in a negative way about someone else everything that you've said before. For example, you say to someone, I like you a lot, but you're so annoying. You shouldn't say that. You should say, I really enjoy being around you, or I really like you, but sometimes I can find you a little bit irritating or annoying. You don't want to use but in a way that's so bland and straightforward, because it can be taken as being rude. So now you know the rules of but. What I want you to do for practice today is to go down in the comment section and write 3 sentences with but, 1 following each of the rules. The rules are listed in the comment section, but as always, please feel free to watch this video back again. I do think it's very important that you remember all 3 rules of but, and then the 2 ways that you should not use the word but. All 5 of these things that you've learned in this short video can really help improve and change your English. Thank you for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe so you can always get more free English tips. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!